Okay, Andrea. So third main, yesterday we did till second main. What was the concept I told? If the angles are not given, what are the two concepts we use? Complementary and reciprocal. If both are same, which one we use? If both are same, we use reciprocal. If they're different, yeah, if they're different, yes, complementary. We use complementary angle. Next, third main, first one, sine 90 minus a into sine a minus cos 90 minus a into cos a minus cos 90 minus a into cos a. Okay, what is sine 90 minus a? Andrea, what is sine 90 minus a? What is the concept I told you? Sine 90 minus a is equals to cos. What is the complementary of sine? Cos what? What is this angle? Cos a. Okay, if I write sine 90 minus 40 degrees, 90 minus 40, this will be cos. Look here, sine is equal to cos. What's the angle given here? 40. You should remember both left hand side, or if I write cos 40 degree, cos 40 degree if I write, how do you convert this? Cos, reciprocal of cos is sine 90 minus, yes, 40. You should remember both the concept, left hand side as well as right hand side. Now first thing, whenever this 90 minus is given, whenever they give 90 minus, it becomes complicated for us to solve. So what we do, we will keep this sign as it is. We'll keep sin A as it is. This value will convert. What is the complementary of sine? Cos. What's the angle given? Cos A into sin A. Next. For this, sin A into cos A as it is. Are they getting cancelled? Are they getting cancelled? Are they getting multiplied? They're not same, right? So what's the next concept? Which concept we use now? Which concept we use here to convert? We use complementary. After complementary, what is the other concept left? Reciprocal. You can reciprocate anyone. I'll keep cos A as it is. Will reciprocate sine. What is the reciprocation of sine? No, no. Reciprocation. How do you reciprocate? No, no. 1 minute. 1 minute. Cos. We converted. Cos becomes. If this was sine 50 degrees, sine 50, this would have been cos 40. Cos into sine. Now, both this logic, we should get the answer. Cos is given, cos A into sin A, sin A into cos. Both will get cancelled. See, cos A into sin A, right? Minus sin. I'll write as cos A, sin A. I just rearrange this. Cos A into, what do we get? Sin. If I write x and y, xy minus xy, what is xy minus xy? Are they like terms or unlike term? Like term. If I write 3xy minus 2xy, how do you solve this, Andrea? What? No, no, not divided. Subtract, right? 3 minus 2 is how much? 1? 5. Yes. If just xy minus xy is given, what is 1xy minus 1xy? It becomes 0. It gets cancelled. In the same way, can you see cos A into sin A minus sin cos A into sin A? Both are same. It gets cancelled. The answer is 0. Do you have your textbook with you? You didn't get it, or okay, fine. Complete this. Which pick? What about the answer? Okay, fine. No, questions are there. Cos square minus sin square. So the answer is 0. It gets cancelled. Third main first one, it is 0. Okay, just a minute. Both gets cancelled, Andrea. So it is 0. Clear? Okay. If it was different, example, here it was cos A, sin A. Here it was sin A and cosec. If I write cosec A, are they same? No, it is like 3 into 2 minus C, uh, 2 into 5. They're not the same. 3 twos are C, 3 twos are 6, minus 2 fives are 10. You can't cancel them. They're not the same, right? Yeah, they're not the same. It becomes unlike term. This is like term. Like term gets cancelled. Next question. Third main, second question. You tell me third main, second one. How will you try this? What is the degree given? First tell me the degree. It is degree, not angle. What's the degree for cos? Square, right? Square is given. So we have cos square 35, sin square 35 and cos square. Do we have sin square in the table? 35 degrees? No, we don't have. So first use complementary angle. Are the angles same or different? Different. It's complementary. First use complementary and see. You can either change sine or cos. Any one you can change. And any one we can change. Which one shall we change? Sine or cos? Okay, with sine we'll change sine. Then cos remains as it is, right? Okay, what's the complementary for sine square 35? How do you convert into complementary? Look here, I'll tell you. First, sine square, what is given? 35, right? Keep sine square as it is. 90 minus what should I write? 90 minus what will give 35? Very good. The other value, right? 90 minus 55 degrees. The other one. Or I'll tell you one thing. If 35 is given, we need to check 90 minus what gives 35. For that, if you take 90 and if you subtract 35, what are we getting? Are we getting 35 degrees? Sorry, 90 minus 50. Are we getting 55? So this 55 you can write. This 55 you can write. So mathematically it is correct, right? 90 minus 55 you're getting 35. Now this is the first step. Second step, sine square. If you convert sine square, what's the complementary for sine? Cos square. What's the angle here? 55. What is cos square 55 minus cos square 55? Both are same. You can cancel them, you'll get 0. Both are same. This is first one. You tell me how will you convert cos? I'll keep sine as it is. Let me keep sine square. How will you convert cos square? First you have to write cos square in bracket 90 minus 35 will give what? 55, right? So sine square 35 degree as it is minus cos square. If you convert, you get sine square 30, 35. This angle, the same angle, you have to write it. Okay. Then it gets cancelled. 0. Unlike in the sense like how. The previous one also got cancelled, right? Example I showed. Oh no, unlike term they won't give. See, unlike if they give unlike term, did you complete this? I'll explain. See, I've done both. Left, I've converted sine and cos. You can try any one. I'll tell you, if it unlike term, they'll give you an unlike term. You have to use reciprocal. If you use reciprocal, it will get cancelled. I'll teach that. Okay. Now, even unlike they might give. See, unlike in the sense they would give sine A into sec 90 minus A. Let me take this as an example. This is the question, Andrea. How will you solve this? First, what you have to apply? First, always go with complementary. Okay. Whichever has 90 minus, try to convert that. Keep sine A as it is. Sine A as it is. I give plus here. This is the question. How will you solve? They are like terms or unlike terms? Both are unlike terms, right? They're not the same. First, convert sec 90 minus A. What is the complementary for sec? Very good. Cosec, and what angle you have to write? This A as it is, right? Plus, or let me put minus here. Minus. Minus. Cos 39 degrees as it is. Cos 39 degree. Next, what do you get? Complementary for cosec. First, sec. What will you write? 39. Do you think we can cancel them? Are they like them? Both are totally different, right? So complementary is done. Try reciprocal now. Keep sine A as it is. What is the reciprocal for cosec? For reciprocal, which side I told you to check? Left hand side arrows, right? So sine is reciprocal to which one? Cosec. So what will you convert cosec into? Cosec. Very good. 1 by sec. In the same way, I'll keep cos 39 as it is. What is sec 39? Very good. 1 by cos 30. Can I cancel them? 1 minus 1, what are we getting? 0. Make a note. So what are the two things we applied here? First we used which one? Reciprocal. We can use even reciprocal and complementary. That becomes little confusing. That's the reason I teach students first to always go with complementary. Okay, the same question, you first copy this. Copy this. We'll use reciprocal first. We'll use reciprocal. Okay, next. The same concept we'll use complementary, reciprocal. I've written this. Okay, let me keep it aside. First use reciprocal, Andrea. What is reciprocal of sec? 1 by cos? No, no, reciprocal. Cos. And the angle will remain as it is. See, imagine this is angle. Just write it as it is. Clear? Minus. For cos 39, I'll keep cos 39. Use reciprocal 1 by what is the reciprocal of cosec? Sine x minus 30. Done. Next. Can we cancel them? They're not same, right? Get cancelled. Keep sign as it is. Now use complementary. Reciprocal is done. Use complementary. What is the complementary of cos? Sine. And what is the angle here? A. And here cos 39 as it is. 1 by. Now can we cancel them? 1 minus 1. What are we getting? Sorry. Cos. Cos 39, right? So which one you felt easy or which one was confusing? First one or second one? The first one. So which rule we need to apply first? Complementary. Yes, always go with complementary angle. Okay. So both were like terms, complementary. I think you'll get such question. Fine, we have to figure it out. Complementary angles. Third main, second one, right? Third question. Third main, third question. You tell me how will you solve third main, third one, Andrea? Cot 54 is given in denominator. What do we have? Plus. Tan 20 is given and minus. Minus. A very simple question. Which one shall we convert? We have cot and tan. Keep any one value as it is. Which one? Tan. We'll convert tan. We'll keep cot 54 as it is. First use complementary. How will you use complementary? Tan remains as it is. What will you write? 90 minus what gives 36? Very good. Write this 54. Next one. Keep tan 20 as it is. Convert cot. What will you write here? Cot 90 minus what gives 70? 20 minus 2, right? Write the second step, cot 54 divided by. Now convert into what is tan? Complementary for tan is cot. What should I write? This angle 54. Keep this in mind, Andrea. Only if you write cot 54, it will get cancelled, right? Yeah, complementary. Tan gets converted into cot 54. Both will get cancelled. Plus, here gets cancelled. If it gets cancelled, get 1 plus 1 minus 2. What is 1 plus 1 minus 2? 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Completed. Next question. How do you solve the next one? Which one? Sin 7. Try. No, not sin 77. Fourth one. Third one we did, right? Fourth. Cos square 25 minus 65 minus. Okay, this time we have three values. Minus tan square. Tan square 45 degree. Fine. We have three values. How will you solve this? See, which one we need to use table? You tell me that. Tan 45, right? So for that, we need to convert, Andrea? Yeah, you can do that. But first thing, 25 is given, 65 is given at 40. Which one we need to use table? Which one is there in the table, trigonometry table? 45. What is tan 45? Tan 45. You don't know tan 45? 1. So can I write 1 square is 1, right? Okay, we converted this. Now we are left with only how many values? Two values. I'll do one thing. You can convert any one. You can either convert cos or sine. Let us keep cos square as it is. We'll try to convert sine. What do you get? You can do anything. You can either convert cos, sine, anything is fine. Tell me for sine square what you write. Andrea. Sine square, what minus 90 minus what gives 65. Very good. First step. Second step. Cos square as it is. Tell me the next one. No, no. Complementary. What is the complementary for sine square? Cos square 25, right? Minus. Okay. Which one gets cancelled? Cos square and cos square. See, these two things are gone. It becomes 0, right? When you cancel. 0 minus 1. What is 0 minus 1? Minus. Always go with complementary. And I'll tell you the difference. Look here, Andy. Look here. This is where few students get confused. Here, which one we converted? Which one we converted here in these two? Sine square we converted. After converting, what did we get? No, no, no. Second step. If any question has already sine square 90 minus 25, we don't need to convert. Do we further convert it? No, right? We don't. We directly write the answer. Whenever cos square 90 minus 25 is given, we directly write the answer. What is sine square? Sine square can be written as cos square 25. Understood? So this is how it works. If directly they would have given sine square, we directly write cos square 25 as the answer. Okay, if single value is given, we convert into complementary. If 90 minus concept is given, we write the answer directly, completely. Done. Okay, next question. Fourth one is done. Okay, fifth one seemed to be bit lengthy. Denominator is also given. Okay, fifth one. Third main fifth one, sine 77 divided by cos 13 whole square. Cos 77 divided by sine 13 minus what do we have? 2 cos square 45 is the question. Minus 2 cos square 45. Observe all the angles. Which angle is given in the table? Trigonometry table. Cos square. First, let us convert that. Cos square. What is cos square 45? 1 by root 2 the whole square, right? Yeah, you can 1 by you can simultaneously solve it. First, you complete this, then let us go back to this. Which one we know shall we convert, sine or cos? Okay, we'll do one thing. You can either convert sine or cos, Andre. Okay, in the first one and second one, both will use different. First, will which one shall we convert, sine? Okay, what should I write? First, get sine in bracket 90 minus 13 degree plus. Here we'll try to convert. We'll interchange and try. We'll see whether we're getting the same answer. We'll keep numerator as it is. Fine. Need to convert denominator. What should I write? 90 minus? Very good, 77. This is totally different, right? The first one we are using numerator, second one we are converting denominator. Or you can convert both numerator, you can convert both denominator. It's the same. The value doesn't change. Tell me the next step, Andrea. What is sine? Now use complementary. Complementary of sine is cos. Did we convert it? Here what do you get? 77 whole square, right? Minus. Square and square gets cancelled. What is left? After this, what is cos 13 by cos 13? Correct. See, if I write cos by cos, can I cancel it? If I write 13 by 13, can I cancel? They're together. It's the same concept. They're together. Both gets cancelled. 1 square is 1 plus. 1 square is 1 minus. Which one gets cancelled here? Huh? Oh, correct. What's the answer? Yeah. You write it like this or try numerator, denominator. Try one numerator, one denominator. Do however you want, you'll get the answer. Okay. Use complementary. In complementary, if you're not able to cancel, we use reciprocal, unlike terms. I think they'll, it's last few questions they were given together. This is the last concept, Andrea. Okay. So trigonometry is a very big. We are doing almost from 1 month, right? In 1 month, still it's not getting over. A. Okay. When did they give, Andrea? Today? 2 days back. 21E, right? Fine. Only. What are the means? Okay. Okay. Third one, everything. I thought 21E they won't make you solve. Fine, we'll do it. After we complete 21F, we'll do 21E. Okay, next one. Show that tan 10, tan 15, 90 and 80. Okay, all the values are there in table or do we need to convert? Fourth main first one. To convert. Okay, tan 10, 15, 75, 80 is equal to 1. Okay, I'll tell you how to convert this, Andrea. All four multiplication, right, in between? Yeah, multiplication. You can split this into two groups. You can take any two values. So take two values in such a way that you get 90 degrees. Okay, you can take any two values. You can either take tan 10 and tan 80 and 15 and 75. Fine. Any two values you have to convert. That's the concept. Total. How many values are there? Four values. Let us convert any two. You can convert these two. Okay. You can convert the first two. You can convert the third and fourth. Anything is fine. So what I would suggest is first you rearrange them. You can rearrange or will directly convert. What is tan 10? Tan 90 minus what gives 10? Okay, if I write 90 minus 15, are we getting 10? How much is 90 minus 15? Calculation. 90 minus 15 is 75, right? We're not getting 10, right? Yeah, we're not getting 10. So there's a confusion, right? Why did you tell 15, Andrea? Can you tell me the reason? Because the saw the number next to it. You saw the correct. That is how we have to do. But here it doesn't work like that. Here it doesn't work like that. I'll tell you the reason. They've shuffled all the values. They've shuffled. First thing you take tan 90 minus what gives 90 minus some value will give 10, right? So if you don't know that value, if you don't know the value, take 90 minus this value itself. 90 minus 10. What is 90 minus 10? Write this 80 here. Understood? Yeah, write 80. So let me write tan 90 minus 80. What is 90 minus 80? Are we getting 10? Okay, 90 minus 80, if you subtract, you're getting 10. What is now convert into complementary? Cot, very good. Keep cot 80 as it is. Next, which one shall we convert? Second one, what will we write? Tan 90 minus what gives 15? If you don't know, take 90 and subtract 15. What's the answer? 75. What is tan 90 minus 75 if you apply complementary? Cot 75. The other two things, we have converted two, right? The other two things you don't need to convert. We'll keep it as it is. What are the other two things we have? Tan 75 into tan 80. Now pair this together. Look here, cot 80 and tan 80. Write it together. Just a minute. Okay, we'll arrange this. Andrea, 80 and 80 are same, right? So I'll write it together. What should I write here? Cot 80 into tan 80. Next, what do we have? Cot 75 into 75. Right hand side we have 1. We have to show that left hand side also you should get 1. We use complementary here. Did anything get cancelled? No. After complementary, what are we supposed to use? Reciprocal. Keep cot 80 as it is. What is the reciprocal for tan? There's no formula. 1 by same cot 80. Can I cancel this? Into cot 75 as it is. What is the reciprocal of tan 75? 1 by reciprocal relation. 1 by cot 75. Both gets cancelled. If you cancel 1 into 1, what are we getting? 1 into 1 is 1, right? 1 is equal to 1. Is it clear, Andrea? Did you understand? So pair the like terms. Okay, if you're getting confused, first we'll pair it. Instead of converting, first we'll pair. Tell me the like term. Like term in the sense, we'll take this 10-degree tan and tan. What is 9 and 10? 10 and 80. What do you get for 10 and 80? 90. You can write them together. See here. Let me write tan 10 into tan 90. I'll keep this together. Next. What is tan 15 and tan 75? 90-degree complementary angle. What I told you, complementary angle. And what's the meaning of complementary? When you add any two angles, the sum should be 90 degrees. This is complementary relation. To take 75, tan 15 and 75. Keep tan 10 as it is. What is tan 80? Complementary of tan 80? Tan 90 minus what gives 80? Very good. You can use this, right? Yeah, you can do the first method what I taught. You can do it. You can convert into complementary and arrange them. If not in the beginning itself, you can arrange. The sum is 90. You can arrange in the beginning. Here, what do you get? Tan 15 into tan 90 minus 15. So let me keep tan 10 as it is. What is the complementary? Cot 10. Your tan 15 as it is into, are they getting cancelled? Unlike terms, they're not getting cancelled. Reciprocal. Tan 10-degree into what is complement reciprocal for cot? Yes, 1 by tan 10. Understood? Now they get cancelled. Tan 10 into tan 15 degrees 1 by, no, reciprocal tan 15. It gets cancelled. So arrange it and solve, or first you solve and arrange. There are four things, right? Four terms. Any two, convert any two. If there are six, convert any three. Maximum will get only four. Okay, fine, Andrea. There's one more question. You tried for homework. Use complementary reciprocal. Which one will you pair together? Which sum of which two angles will give 90? No. There is no multiplication. Can you see in between there is plus? So you can't pair it like this, right? You can't pair. I think similar question only I gave. Remember I taught you reciprocal relation. Unlike them, you were asking, right? Complementary and reciprocal. Try this, Andrea. Try this for homework. Okay. Keep sign as it is. Convert sec. Apply complementary first, then convert into reciprocal. Okay. Try this one question. Express the following in terms of angle. Okay. Fifth one is different. I try this. Seventh one, first one. Seventh main, first one, second one. Is it clear? Just 3 is given. Look at seventh main first one. 3 is given. Take it outside in bracket. Try to convert. Definitely both will get cancelled. You'll have 3. Okay. Minus the other one also will get cancelled. You'll have 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. You should get the answer as 2. So 3 questions for homework. Seventh main 2 and fourth main second one. On this, complete it and attend at 4 o'clock tomorrow. Okay.